Welcome to today's news update. Here are the 10 top stories we are covering today. World Liberty investor Justin Sun claims Trump crypto venture secretly installed tool to freeze user holdings. Justin Sun, a major investor in World Liberty Financial, a Trump-backed crypto venture, alleges that the firm secretly installed a tool allowing it to unilaterally freeze and restrict private holdings of its WLFI token. According to Sun, this backdoor blacklisting function gives World Liberty power to confiscate property rights without cause or recourse. Every blockchain transaction is a gift to your competition. The emergence of AI agents on blockchain platforms will revolutionize commerce, enabling autonomous decision-making and significant efficiency gains. However, this technology also amplifies transparency, broadcasting companies' operations publicly and allowing competitors to easily gather intelligence, potentially leveling the playing field. Blockchain Capital seeks $700 million for 2 new crypto funds. Blockchain Capital is seeking $700 million to launch 2 new cryptocurrency funds. The funds aim to invest in blockchain-based startups and digital assets. Video games don't need to be made into TV and movies to justify their existence anymore. Video game expert Ben Starr believes that live-action adaptations are no longer necessary to justify the existence of video games. He thinks that strong IPs like God of War and Assassin's Creed already prove the power of gaming, and TV and film need video games more than they need adaptations. Tether and Arbitrum freeze assets as crypto faces crisis of purpose. Arbitrum and Tether froze assets worth approximately $71 million and $1.5 billion respectively, amid concerns over decentralization in the crypto space. The move followed an exploit of Kelp DAO protocol, which resulted in the theft of 30,000 Ether on Arbitrum 1. The Arbitrum Security Council temporarily immobilized the stolen funds without disrupting the network, highlighting its technical control despite marketing as decentralized. Bitcoin Core Portable 31 cryptocurrency released. A new version of Bitcoin Core Portable 31 has been released, offering an open source and free peer-to-peer cryptocurrency. The update integrates with the Portable AppScan platform and can be installed or updated automatically. This release features a pruned node option that uses approximately 9.3 GB of space on devices instead of the typical 571 GB required for full nodes. Blockchain billionaire Sun takes Trump family's crypto firm to court. Blockchain billionaire Justin Sun sued World Liberty Financial, a digital currency venture co-founded by Donald Trump and his sons, alleging that they illegally froze his holdings of tokens issued by the company. Sun claims World Liberty secretly installed tools to prevent the sale of his tokens and threatened to burn them, despite being in his digital wallet. Billionaire slams Trump-linked company after losing 11M. Billionaire investor Michael Burry lost $11 million in an investment with World Liberty Financial, WLFI, a company linked to the Trump family. Burry, known for his criticism of Donald Trump, accused WLFI of using misleading marketing tactics and failing to disclose key information about its investments. Long-shot polymarket bets on military activity are paying off at a jaw-dropping rate. Polymarket bets on military activity are succeeding at a statistically unlikely rate, with long-shot wagers tied to defense-related events achieving a 52% success rate. The Anti-Corruption Data Collective report raises concerns about insider trading on the platform, following the U.S. Justice Department's arrest of an American soldier who allegedly made over $400,000 in bets on Polymarket, predicting Maduro's removal from office. A quantum threat to Bitcoin has some asking the unthinkable. Is it time to freeze old wallets belonging to Satoshi Nakamoto? A report by Google warns that hackers could crack open wallets belonging to Bitcoin inventor Satoshi Nakamoto using new quantum computing techniques as early as 2029. Putting at risk over $75 billion worth of coins that account for 5 of the world's Bitcoin supply. Some experts suggest updating Bitcoin to lock up these coins forever, while others advocate against forced upgrades, citing market concerns. Please like, subscribe, and comment your views on this channel.